In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Minecraft modpacks crashing in TLauncher. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are encountering crashes when you're opening up mods in TLauncher, I'm going to present to you some methods that you might want to check in order to properly open up the mod pack. First, make sure you have the latest version of Forge or the corresponding version for the mod pack you are trying to run, and if the mod requires it, also make sure to use Fabric. So double check if the versions of Fabric and Forge are correct and appropriate to the mod pack you are trying to run. Likewise, make sure to re-download any mods that you might assume that are causing issues. If you need to, deactivate all mods and enable them one by one until you detect the specific mod that is causing the issue. Lastly, Java sometimes crashes when trying to load mod packs in Minecraft. So open up the control panel on your computer, select the Java tab, and in here, click on the Update tab at the top. Select Update Now from the bottom right corner of the screen, and Java is going to attempt to update. If you are running an older version, just go through with the setup and restart your computer to be done with the installation. But if you already have the latest version of Java, just go over the steps I previously mentioned and double check any mods that might be causing a specific issue. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Minecraft modpacks crashing in TLauncher. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.